Howdy, y'all. It's Shannon from Creative Chaos in Tennessee. And today I am back with another Scraptember layout. Today's prompt is Christmas. Y'all, I'm not ready for Christmas. Fall isn't even here yet. It's still almost 100 degrees outside in Tennessee. It's been crazy. But anyways, today's prompt is Christmas, so I'm going to do a Christmas page. I'm also combining this with off the board with pineapple paper. I'll pop the layout up that inspired me off my board. I do not know who created it. It doesn't have any names on it. I can't even find like who even posted it. So, it is my inspiration though. So, I am using the Vicky Booten, I think it's Warm Wishes collection. This is a Hobby Lobby paper, the wood grain. But the rest of all of this, this is a swap item. And then I have a doily that I cut in half I had. And I created my title on the Cricut. And then I fussy cut flowers out of one of the papers. And I have some of the stickers here I want to use. And I have these papers. That's just 6x8 papers. So, let's just get to it. Oh, and my pictures are photos with Father Christmas. I want to say this was two years ago with my grandbabies at our little town's Christmas shindig. So let's just get to it. So, I am taking the inspiration, like I said, from the scrap lift off of Pinterest. And I just wanted to add a little bit of this splatters. And then I wanted to use stars. I really like the look of it. And since I was doing Father Christmas pictures, and it's a little, you know, Father Christmas is a little more, what word am I looking for? Antique-ish. Old. I don't want to say old, but, you know. I feel like Father Christmas is the old, wiser version of Santa. I guess let's just go with that. But, so I just wanted, actually, I'm going to have a doily there, so probably don't want to put it up that high. But, I've marked it a little bit of where my stuff is going to go. So I just wanted to add in a few little stars here and there and kind of do a pattern going across. And use up these stickers also because I rarely ever use stickers, y'all. Like, I don't know. It's just, I used to buy them all the time, and then I went through and I cleaned out like a ton of them and got rid of them, and only kept the ones that I really thought I was going to use. And I've been doing good with using a lot of them up. But apparently, I really love this Warm Wishes Christmas collection. Because I have all my Christmas stuff packed away. So I just wanted to get something that I could like grab. And I pulled out the little thing I had this packed in. Because this is like a deal that came off of Peachy Cheap. And apparently I have 2 of the whole collections of the sticker books, the ephemera packs, the paper pads, like the 6x8 paper pads. And then on top of that, apparently I bought recently at Ollie's for $5. I bought the whole 12x12 pad. So I have a lot. I mean, a lot of this collection. So, y'all are probably, whenever I get busy actually during Christmas time and start scrapbooking all my Christmas pictures, y'all are going to be seeing this collection a lot. Even though it's old, it's still relevant, I guess you could say, and I still love it, so y'all are going to be seeing it. A lot of it. But that's okay, because I can use some of it to make cards and stuff too, because y'all know I'm not a huge card maker, but Christmas cards is my one thing that I do. I usually make around 100 just to send out, and then I usually have more than that I make to sell at a home business fair that my local moms group puts on in the fall. So actually I probably need to dig out the Christmas stuff and start making Christmas cards soon. But it's just too early for that, y'all. It's so hot out. Okay. So I probably should have used double stick tape. It looks like it says cute. The way I stuck the glue on there. Okay, I need to trim this. It probably would have been better to use double stick tape because then it wouldn't show the glue through. But it's too late for that now. No going back. Okay. I can cover that up, maybe. Most of it anyways. Okay, let me stand up. Yeah, see, I done got y'all out of frame again. Okay, so my other thing is I want to put this dolly down here. So this is going to be hid, so I don't mind. Okay. Actually, I should have put this down probably first before I started gluing up everything. Try not to touch my splatters because they're not dry yet. Okay. Let's see here. I think I'm going to put this here. Uh-oh. I have glue dripping out again. If any of the rest of y'all have one of these My Sweet Petunia glue things, do y'all have issues with the glue just running out? I did, and then I'll change the tip, and I haven't had problems, but I almost feel like it's doing it because it gets gunked up, like in this spot. See, I've took my scissors and like got some of it out, but I don't know if y'all can see it, but it gets all the little gunkies in there whenever you're doing it, and I feel like it causes it not to go down in there correctly, and so then it lets it run loose. So if y'all know, let me know, because I have no idea. Okay, I did cut a little slit in this. This is really pretty. It's just a frame, but I thought I would use it and just kind of tuck my picture down in it like this and like this, and use it as a decoration also. So let me glue it down, my photos. Make sure I'm not covering up nobody's face. And then glue all of this down. I love Christmas. My favorite time of year. Fall is my favorite season, and I love doing all of the fall things, but I love Christmas. It's my favorite holiday season. But it's too early. It's too early, y'all. Stop it. Okay. I'm going to tuck this down behind here. And let's see here. Then I have flowers and these little tags. Let's see. What else? Okay. I think this one can go up here and that'll help hide the glue issues. At least so it's not super noticeable. Okay, and then, let's see. I think I'm going to put this one here because it has the edge cut off, so we'll just tuck it and nobody will be none the wiser that it's not a whole flower. This one I already have foam on, so I'm going to stick it down. I think I'll put it here. Just kind of build a little cluster going. And then put one over here. This is just a little partial piece, but might as well use it. And then I have this one. Put it on up here. And then I have my title. I'm going to put it across here. And I apologize if there's a glare on the pictures. I didn't think to look. And then I just have these little tabs that says Christmas Magic, Holiday Cutie, and 'Tis the Season. So I thought I would put them on up here just so that I can use them up. Because these little things and the fact that they're stickers, I don't know, it just makes it hard for me to use. So, he was a very laid back Father Christmas. Hippie-ish vibes is what I was getting. Okay, so that's going to be my layout. I hope that you guys enjoyed this and that y'all will go and check out what everyone else is creating. Check out the playlist below for that. And for Off the Board with Pineapple Paper and for Scraptember, there's playlists for both of those. And check out my Facebook group. Come over and hang out and chat. There's lots of fun stuff coming up. So, until next time, bye y'all.